Okay guys, this tub jet has been a game changer for bathing my dog. It literally does all the work for you, so there's no more endless scrubbing or messy baths. The gentle pressure gets out even the deepest layers of dirt. It feels like a doggy spa experience. Just connect your hose or shower, add shampoo and lather, then switch to water mode to rinse. Dog baths have never been easier.
When I take too long at the stop, Chopper yells at me.
Hi. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It took so long. I'm sorry. Okay.
Penny. Penny, come here. Come here, Penny. Penny, come here. Come here, Penny. Penny, where are you? Oh, hi.
They hop, they duck, they climb, they go through 2 at a time. Anything to avoid paying the fare. Here in New York City, the problem has gotten so bad, it cost $215 million in lost revenue last year. Watch as this guy just...
like they did last spring.
Introducing the best multi-purpose gadget. It's your wake-up call. Neighborhood watch, security guard, cleaner, gardener, food taster, dishwasher, personal trainer, blanket, therapist, and best friend.